Hello and welcome back to Proceeding Onward in America. I'm Fabian and Becky's not here right now. She's taking care of a little errand she's running, and it's time to change our RV batteries. The ones that came with the RV with some little no-name type of RV. So we decided to upgrade it. So we are going to go to Walmart and look into some Everstart Max Group 27 batteries and try to get that installed in there. From my dimensions that I'm looking at, the Everstart Max is going to be a little bit bigger than the batteries we have. So it's going to be hard to put this at in the same location that it's at. And if you don't understand me, I'll show you. Now these are the batteries that came with the RV, and these are the battery boxes that I was talking about. As you see there, the old one is definitely smaller, at least by 6 inches. As you see, they take up more space, so two of them is not going to fit in that same area. So I need it to go pretty much somewhere around there. There. I can't use the same frame that it's on right now, so what I'm going to have to do is probably mount another frame up here, kind of like the same thing that's there. Mount something up there going across to both sides, but not interfering with our hooks for our weight distributors. So yeah, I'm just gonna make it two 36-inch bars and 8-inch from front to back on two 8-inch bars. There's just gonna be a little bit overhang, but at least they'll lock it all in place, and then I'll find a way to rigid all of that together. I'm gonna probably have to drill a hole into the frame and then send a screw into it. And lock it all down. But yeah, I'm gonna run back to the store because I just needed to get the measurements on that. But we need to get this done before we head off to our next adventure, because these batteries are very important. The other ones are completely dead. They kept dying on us when we was last camping. So I need to get these things changed out. The batteries wasn't that expensive. It's only $119 each. And then the battery boxes was about $16 each, and then I brought 2 terminals to go on it. That way I can lock everything down. So let me go get this piece and we'll get rocking and rolling. I'm back. I got the 2 pieces that I need and the hardware that I need to screw it into positioning, but it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna go have me 2 sandwiches, and gonna have me 2 sandwiches and some good chips and eat, and then get back to work. Gotta take a lunch break. Okay, I'm back from lunch now. And now what I'm going to do is definitely mount on these brackets. Now, I know this one is gonna be sticking out, but I need the space due to the size of the boxes. So I'm gonna drill a hole right here and in here, and then screw this bolt in. So watch as I measure it and then drill it and get everything down to order. Okay, that looks pretty decent, don't you think? Basically I just bolted these into the frame at the angle it need to be, and they fit perfect. And then I belt strap this around the whole frame and now keep it in place. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about this edge here, but I wouldn't really be worried about it because nobody really comes around here. But chances are I'll probably just put some rubber duct tape or rubber sealant over here just to make sure that I don't cut myself. Now it's time to get the batteries and stick them in and then plug in everything together. So stick with me. Okay, now that I got the batteries, I'm going to stick them in and then start wiring everything. So I'll try to show you how I did it, and I'm basically going to wire it the same way it was wired when we got it, and that's parallel series, which is just one battery connected to the next, and then the house wires connected to the one battery, and that doubles your capacity. And now that is it. So I'm going to clean up a bit, and I'm going to put the tops on along with the belt straps to lock them down. It wasn't hard at all. And I can already hear the converter charging up the batteries till they're full, even though they're already full as I brought them. Get the strap locked on tight. Looks like it came in with screw brackets for something. Don't know. Well, that turned out to be good. And it turned out to be a little bit better. It's a little bit more bulkier, but definitely better. Now I'm just trying to think of a idea that I can do to lock it all up. If not, we'll just keep it like this. It didn't really cause any issues before, but we still got space to use our thing. And if I can probably buy a case that can fit in that diameter, like a lockbox, that would be perfect. But then we'll probably have a hard time getting to it from there. Other than that, I'm not really too worried about that. And months later, we discovered that the RV place had wired them wrong and not the correct parallel well. So I had to take everything out, and being that it wasn't long enough, I had to turn the batteries around just to make the ground wire and the positive wire to the camper reach each other. And it is a little bit more difficult, but we made it happen thanks to Becky's crazy idea. Thank you, honey. I love you. But it turned out to be a great quick exchange. Now I'm just going to return these to Walmart so I can get my $24 back and do that battery exchange, and that will be it. So thank you for following us. Sorry about all the noise in the neighborhood. I tried to talk as loud as I can, but thank you for following us and watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.
Had to drill holes in it. Water got in.